How to find Puravive coupon and discount code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Puravive coupon and discount code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Puravive is a dietary supplement designed to aid weight loss by enhancing metabolic processes and supporting overall health. It incorporates a blend of natural ingredients aimed at increasing brown adipose tissue, also known as BAT levels, which are known to help in burning fat more efficiently. Puravive boasts a proprietary blend of natural ingredients, including luteolin, known for its antioxidant properties and ability to enhance metabolism. It also includes ingredients such as kudzu, holy basil, white Korean ginseng, amur cork bark, propolis, and quercetin. These ingredients collectively aim to boost metabolism, enhance energy levels, and support overall health. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for studiovisit.io/coupon/Puravive. In the interface that you will be led to, you can see you can get up to 65% off currently, so tap on the click here to apply coupon option and claim your reward further by following the on-screen instructions. So, this was about Puravive review and coupon and discount. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and comment on our video and do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.